Welcome to safari in Kenya's Maasai Mara.
Or a guest coming for a safari, it will be really advisable to take a few days. That's when you can learn the behavior, not only seeing the animals, but also to understand the behavior.
They talk about the big five on safari, the elephant, the lion, the buffalo, the leopard, and the rhino. But really, as you start to get into the groove of it, you realize that ticking the lists doesn't matter. It's about the moments that you meet along the way. I mean, we've literally just come from seeing two cheetah begin to hunt a prey. The cheetah aren't on the big five. These are wide open plains and grasslands stretching really as far as the eye can see. Now, it isn't all a walk in the park. The rides can be bumpy, and occasionally there's moments of discomfort, like when lots of vehicles from different companies crowd animals. One of the things to consider when you're buying a lifetime holiday like a safari is how conservation and community oriented the safari company is. So here's one example: Great Plains. Welcome to Mara Toto Tree Camp. The tented suites, these aren't just tents, they're tented suites, come with several rooms and enormous bathrooms with safari-style showers and standalone tubs. But alongside its premium properties and really good quality drives with great drivers, it has a lot of conservation and community initiatives. For example, a female ranger program. We visited a beading centre funded by the company and which buys back many of the stuff they create for use in the camps. On the first day on safari here, I picked up the phone as I was going to bed and I thought, no, you know what? I don't need it. And that's what I love about these trips, is that they take you completely out of your 9 to 5 and the day-to-day life and put you in this magical, immersive world.
They're teaching us how to be, it's like reconnect